whatever, not be late on 9.
Nah, nah, nah. Put your hands in the air if you fucking tonight.
Yes, honestly, a lot. I'm not, I don't, oh, shit. I'm not really online a lot, cause like, yeah. Which is better, cat or dog? I feel like I'm gonna get hated for this, but dogs, cause cats, I have a bad experience. Yeah. What nationality is my type? What's my least favorite animal and why? Monkeys, cause they're annoying, and yeah. Yes. My opinions on UTTP is I can't say it. I'm gonna get banned, but like we already know what I'm gonna say, so yeah.
Baby, come to Dubai.
Okay, so not many of y'all know this, but I actually shown my face like a lot on here, like not that long ago, but like I was a kid, and yeah. Also, I am 4'11". My height has went down. I don't know how. Like I was 5 foot like 5 months ago. Not even joking. But thanks.